Salman, Anna was telling me the other day, he says year after year, your fitness levels go to another zone. You've been so passionate about fitness. You're born with fitness. When did it start?
Started a very long time ago. Started with sports in school. And then I needed to put on some weight for movies and to model. Full-grown man, I used to weigh what? 48 kilos. So the whole journey was earlier till about 5 years ago to how to increase the weight and how to look bigger. Now the journey is how to decrease the weight. So it's always going to happen. And the older you get, the more difficult it gets. But you just have to keep at it. And that's what we all are doing. Just signed this film, Sultan, where I am like a wrestler who goes into MMA. So now that's a different league only of fitness. I'll have to be in that. So I just started training. So knees hurting, back hurting, head hurting, everything hurting. So it's just been 4 or 5 days, but we'll get there. It pains, it hurts. Like you all said, no pain, no gain. That's what being fit is all about. And I think the men in the film industry today, I mean, are like the fittest. Even athletes, they stop at the age of 34, 35, and then once they stop, they don't go back to their fitness routine. So they put on weight because those calories that were burnt when they were playing, they don't do that anymore. But in our field, we have to be fit. So from action to dancing to fighting to riding to running to everything we've got to do ourselves. So our fitness level at our ages, I think is a lot more than anybody else right now.
More so because I've seen the ups, the downs in the industry, the highs, the lows, and that's when our bodies also, move according to the graph. But as far as Bhai is concerned, that body has remained the same, and it has only improved year after year. I think it's been over 20, 25 years to this body now, and it's you've got the best of trainers who are here, and they can vouch for the the fact that you cannot maintain a body over such a long period, and in spite of working probably 16 hours, 17 hours a day, and still maintaining himself. So I think he's by far the fittest and the best body that we have. The most beautiful body also, because he was one of the first few who got that shirt out and told the world that I am the best and I'll always be the best.
Okay, if I asked you, Salman, genuinely, who's more fitter? Is it Sunil Anna or you?
Right now he is.
No question.
No, he just...
There's no question.
Whenever you talk to him, no, yeah, my migraine, I've not been working out. No, my knee, I'm not working out. Not feeling well.
My age, and that's why...
5 o'clock in the morning, he's in the gym. 5 a.m. every morning. The time I go to sleep.
Adda, have you ever had a chance where both of you said, come, let's hit the gym together?
No, but you know what? Even if it's 5 in the morning, he'd work out and then go to sleep, which is unbelievable, which is absolutely unbelievable. If you want to build a body, you have to learn from him. He's at it. I trained when I was doing Jai Ho and was living with Bhai on the farm. And every evening, Sohail and me used to come back with some pain somewhere or the other. And suddenly we said, where's Bhai? Yeah? And you'll see him in the gym through that glass training. And then we'd say, okay, let's go. And he's at it non-stop. If it's 2 hours, it is 2 hours of meticulously working on what he wants to work on, which is unreal. I've never seen it. You get tired, you want to sleep. He's tired. He'll train and then sleep. So I'm not saying that
and
because
then not
he's here.
Sleep, that's the problem. The problem is that. Train and not sleep.
But have you guys ever worked out together where you said, let's hit the gym together, huh?
Yeah, we have, but...
we've done different body parts.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, I don't do legs as much as he does. He's going to get to that, so I might as well say it before he does.
Okay.
No, but you know, honestly, thank you for the bottom of my heart. There's something which is very, very close to my heart. Probably a dream that I cherished when I was this little, that I would end up one day growing up and you know, impart that knowledge and make a difference to those billions of people who are, you know, who live in the country, millions of people who live in the country, and give them something where they can sit in their homes and without, because most of our country doesn't have equipment, can't afford equipment. So here's a journey where we train without equipment, you know, get the kids prepared. And the only person I ever thought of or dreamt of to come here and be there with me today was you. There's too much I owe you, too much I owe him, whether it's my daughter, whether it's my son, whether it's from me, the family. We've always been so close. So I think, honestly, I say this as a friend, as a fan, that it is the happiest day of my life.
And I'll tell you something. I keep on thinking of different things, how to give back. You know, how to keep on giving back to all the fans who have, you know, seen us, who've paid money to, you know, they sold their books, you know, they've bunked school, and they've literally removed their pocket money and they've, you know, gone and watched our movies. So I always find, you know, something or the other, how to give it back. This is something I'm so envious and so jealous of, that how did I not think of this?
So sweet. So if it's not you, it's
amazing.
me. It's the same thing.
The same thing.
It's the same
thing.
thing.
So
I'm sure
amazing.
You're as happy.
It is so amazing. I absolutely, when he told me this, that he was doing this, I said, Allah, this is so amazing. मतलब कि हर चीज़ फोकट में हो रहा है यार ये तो. So you don't have to, you know, go to a gym. You know, you don't have to have a personal trainer. आप यहाँ पर आ जाओ. And from here, whatever you need to know, from fitness to diet to anything, you know, even if you have an injury, how to solve that, you know. So this is like the best platform for fitness ever. And I'm so happy that you did it. I'm so happy.
Icon of the fitness today. And everyone is just watching you as a man who just touches everything which just becomes the gold. So do you think that you are a Midas touch man today?
It is not easy. You have to work towards it. You have to work really hard. So no, there's nothing as Midas touch you. I think those many hours of practice for anything will get you that result, that dedication, that sincerity. And I'm not very dedicated. I'm not very sincere. My genes help me in this. So I kind of abuse. I mean, I just tweeted a picture of my father and me and Sohail. My dad is 78, I think 79, about 4 months ago. You very clearly see, you know, एक हल्का 4 pack. अब वो 4 pack पीने के बाद 4 pack है. I know when to ask. At 78, तो we feel कि ये यहाँ तक तो खींच ही लेंगे भाई. So we also push it a little bit. But till the time, this is, I believe, till the time the belt is ऐसी ना, straight. जहाँ belt ऐसा हो गया ना, then you need to start working out. So 4 pack, flat stomach is benchmark. जहाँ 4 से थोड़ा सा कम होने शुरू होता है ना, that's the right time to get back into the gym and start working out hard. Because once you put on that weight, then it gets really, really difficult for anybody. और काय को उतनी मेहनत करो, you know, start slightly earlier.
हाय सलमान, आलोक है। मेरा सवाल आपसे था कि जिस दिन आप वर्कआउट नहीं कर पाते हैं उस टाइम क्या होता है माइंडसेट की? मान लीजिए 2 दिन हो गया,
कोई खास रीजन होता होगा
और उसकी पूर्ति के लिए फिर क्या करते हैं?
सर अगर नहीं होता एक दिन तो आई मेक श्योर के नेक्स्ट डे आई कॉम्पनसेट फॉर इट. जैसे कि आज एक बॉडी पार्ट छूट गया और कल मुझे सुबह को, जैसे कि आज लेग्स छूटा है, फिर सुबह को फिर कल मेरा चेस्ट एंड ट्राइसेप है, तो फिर मैं सुबह को लेग्स मार के निकल जाऊंगा, फिर रात को शूटिंग के बाद आके चेस्ट एंड ट्राइसेप मारूंगा.
ओके अन्ना, मेरा सवाल आपसे है, इफ यू कैन हियर मी. सलमान इज द फिटेस्ट पर्सन इन द इंडस्ट्री, एवरीवन नोज अबाउट हिम. कितने अच्छे दोस्त हैं अन्ना सलमान, ये जानना चाहूंगा आपसे. यू नो,
I think right now everyone is really fit in the industry. Everyone is really fit.
Yeah, yes, but you know, there's always a body that doesn't stay constant through the entire.
Very difficult it gets, yeah.
It is difficult, and that's why I say you are the best, because I've seen the others go sway with every film and with every
I have no
season.
choice. Every film I have to remove my shirt towards the climax. So I have no choice. As soon as I let it go, and then ek mahina baki hai, bhai shirt nikalna, and then back on. And I have to work harder because I don't diet, which is like the worst thing. You know, I'll have my food, you know, ghar ka khana. So I'll not go into the steam, I'll not go into the boil, I won't do any of this stuff. I would rather go to the gym and put that half an hour, 1 hour extra in the gym than, and I will not also eat, overtly eat, ke taste ke liye. Jitna khana hai, utna hi khaunga main, you know. It's quite a bit, and quite a few times, but my body needs that. So I will not go into steamed and boiled and all that stuff. So it gets a little more tiring for me in the gym.
Okay,
सलमान आपने ही शर्टलेस का जो ट्रेंड था वो अन्ना ने भी जिक्र किया था पहले कि आपने ये ट्रेंड सेट किया था. आपके अलावा और कोई भी शर्टलेस बेहतर नहीं लगता, तो इसकी क्या खास वजह है? ये आपने ये ट्रेंड शुरू किया था, इवन अन्ना ने भी पहले एक जगह में.
नहीं, बहुत सारे लोग थे मेरे से पहले. आई थिंक दारा सिंह जी थे. उसके नहीं, सीरियसली. देन मिथुंदा came in. Then धर्म जी. फिर बहुत सारे. रंजीत साहब, स्टारडस्ट का कवर. How amazing he looked in the Stardust ka cover.
Sir, Sonu, you've asked your question about.
Yeah, but that was by mistake in O Jaane Jaana. वो मैंने प्यार किया वगैरह में था. फिर एक पिक्चर हमने की सूर्यवंशी, जिसमें बाद में पता चला कि उस वक्त वीडियो असिस्ट नहीं हुआ करते थे. तो बाद में पता चला कि बाल पे सर तो ब्लॉन्ड है, छाती के बाल ब्लैक है.
अच्छा, आप सवाल पूछ लीजिए पीछे. हाँ.
हेलो.
अच्छा.
हेलो. हेलो.
अच्छा, रुक जाओ.
हेलो.
भाई, सर.
So when we saw the whole film, ऐसा कुछ गड़बड़ है, कुछ मैच नहीं हो रहा.
हाँ सर, पूछिए सर.
Salman, do you believe that if you have a good body, then show it off? Like, this is what you believe?
It depends on how you show it off.
The way you show it off.
Depends on where. अब emotional scene कर रहे हो और आप body दिखा रहे हो. That doesn't make any sense. अच्छा, ओ जाने जाना, that was by mistake. So I just started training at that point, once again. So the previous जो schedule के कपड़े थे didn't fit. वैसा like a blouse type हो गया था, like very tight. So by that time, the dress designer would go back to Bombay and get the clothes. शाम हो जाती, एक दिन waste हो जाता. So I said, as it is, we are not shooting right now. 3-4 shot ले ले सोहेल. Bare chested case, you're mad, bhai, how can you do this? Bare chested गाना. तो इनसे वो headphone डाल दिया अपन ने, वो माइकल जैक्सन टाइप का वो उस वक्त नया निकला था. फिर एक गिटार आगे हाथ. तो इसे यार, this is looking fine, so let's go ahead with this. So that was by default. अगर वो कपड़े fit हो जाते, तो वो गाना bare chested देखने को मिलता नहीं.
और उसी गाने की वजह से आज भी मेरा बेटा वो गाने का बहुत बड़ा फैन था. आज भी आधे टाइम शर्ट नहीं पहनता उसी गाने के चक्कर में. Ahan never wears a shirt. He used to always keep doing that number.
सुल्तान के बाद पैंट भी पहनना छोड़ देंगे लोग. That till the time I come to your age, I'll be able to do it. I will never do anything which later on in life I would not be able to do.
But that means for individual people it is different. Every genetic body is different, so everyone has to know their limits.
That is why these boys are here, sir.
And then they can stop at any time.
They can stop.
Thank you so much.
Anna, मेरा सवाल आपसे है. Salman is the fittest person in the industry. Everyone knows about it. कितने अच्छे दोस्त है सलमान, वो मैं आपसे जानना चाहूंगा. वो भी लोग जानते हैं लेकिन आपकी जबान नहीं जानना चाहूंगा.
क्या सवाल लेके आया सर, पीछे से एकदम.
अन्ना बताइए. और वो यहाँ मौजूद हैं और आपने कहा this is the happiest day of my life.
I think we've been friends. I think agar if this works for you, probably the only friend that I had from the industry when I got married was Bhai. He was the only one. He and Sohail were the only two who were there for my wedding, and I got married the year my film released. My wife was unsure that once I get into the industry, there may be trouble. So we tied the knot that very year. So Bhai was very much there, and I've known him much before that also. So it's been a beautiful journey.
अन्ना थोड़े दिन पहले आपने कहा कि आतिया के बाद अपने बेटे की अगर बात करते हैं लॉन्च करने की तो आप जिम्मेदारी सलमान पे छोड़ना चाहेंगे। थोड़े दिन पहले आपने कहा था, सलमान क्या आप उस जिम्मेदारी के लिए भी तैयार हैं?
So ले ली सर।
कब तक?
Of course, और कोई question?
Salman, my question is to you.
On the left side, the gentleman on the front
right
row.
here.
Where? Okay.
Straight.
Yeah, there you go.
Sir, my question is to both of you all. Sir, same question goes to both of you all. अभी सबसे ज़्यादा किसी को ज़रूरत पड़ने वाली आप दोनों की वो है आमिर खान, because you have put on more than 40 kgs for Dangal and he has almost finished shooting. So what will tips you would like to give it to Amir?
Sir, Amir Khan has got a good trainer.
Sorry, sir.
Amir Khan right now has got a good trainer. Rakesh, my guy, is training Amir, so it's fine.
All right, next question. The gentleman here, sir.
No, Amir is very dedicated, so he will be able to manage it. Otherwise, it's not very easy. Trust me, it's not easy at all.
अभी अभी आपके आने से पहले सुनील शेट्टी ने कहा कि हम चाहते हैं कि स्वच्छ भारत अभियान की तरह स्वस्थ भारत अभियान जैसी भी कोई एक मुहिम चालू होनी चाहिए। तो आप पीएम मोदी के काफी करीबी भी माने जाते हैं।
एक्टिव फिटनेस से जुड़ा हुआ ये सवाल?
जी बिल्कुल, एक्टिव फिटनेस, फिट इंडिया,
फिट
स्वस्थ भारत,
हाँ स्वस्थ भारत, स्वस्थ भारत,
स्वस्थ भारत,
स्वस्थ भारत।
बिल्कुल, तो आप पीएम मोदी के काफी करीबी भी माने जाते हैं। तो आप ऐसी कोई मुहिम पीएम मोदी के सामने करना चाहेंगे जिससे कि स्वस्थ भारत जैसे अभियान भी
कहाँ पे ये सवाल लेके जा रहे हो सर?
Sir.
Hi, Salman.
Thank you, sir. But anyways, ma'am.
सलमान, आपने
Good evening, everyone.
सर सुनाई नहीं दे रहा सर, ये यहाँ पास
My
में।
question is for Pallavi.
Dada, we love you. All right, question.
Hi, my question is for Pallavi. Pallavi, just want to know what is the price for this service, Active Fitness, on Tata Sky platform?
It's only 59 rupees a month. That's it. And you have access to the
पहला
best of
subscriber, पहला
country.
subscriber। आजकल मनी मार्केट टाइट चल रहा है।
Objective really was to take it to the masses, so to every nook and corner of the country. So it's extremely reasonable.
Pallavi ma'am, one question. I can't wake up early in the morning. So do I have to wake up to
Yeah,
avail
Peaky
this service in the
Blinded
morning?
Sir, नहीं, ये genuine सवाल है, sir.